everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, life, and puppies in there. It is Sunday morning and we got a lot of snow. It snowed. A lot might be relative, right? So we were supposed to get between 5 and 8-ish inches. We are fully covered in snow. Loki, what do you think of the snow, Loki? Come here. I'll put a little video here of the snow this morning. It's pretty chilly. Loki's in here, but I have other sidekicks that like to help me out, Willie and Dexter, and sometimes Harvey will show up. He's our kitty. Lots to do today. So I'm traveling this week. I'm trying to organize myself. It's just been a busy week. I have some videos I need to get done. So I'm very much looking forward to that week between Christmas and New Year's where I'm hoping it's a little bit quieter. But getting to that point, I think, is just going to be kind of this ongoing sprint to get things done. And the fact that we have snow this morning. So I am dressed incredibly cozy to kick off this week, which isn't unusual on a Sunday in the winter. I have on Paige denim, a Market & Spruce long sleeve top that I got in a Stitch Fix. This topper is so warm and cozy. It's by Free People, got it in a Trendsend. I have on a belt. I love this cow belt. This one is from Nordstrom. And I put on these amazingly cozy shoes. Let me take them off to show you that I'm in love with. They're by Dolce Vita. All the warm cozy on the inside. The bottom is nice and tread. So I thought these would be perfect for today. For jewelry, all I have on are my, earrings and my Rocksbox necklace. And that's it. That's it. We're off to get started on the day. Loki, what do you think? I hope you're staying warm and we will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Monday, time for outfit of the day, and it is a cold one outside. It is cold. So I woke up, it was like 7 degrees. Right now it's only 14. It's going to be cold all day. I do hit the road tomorrow for work, and that'll be my last travel for the year. I'll be back Thursday night is the plan. So hopefully everything goes well. I think it will. It's a very busy, packed week. And then I went and packed my weekend trying to get a bunch of videos done for everybody. Some of them had deadlines, so I was really focused on getting those done all weekend. Luckily, good news is I did. So that's awesome. For my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim from Wantable, a Z Supply cardigan from Wantable. Of course, I have on my Ebbies. For shoes, how about these Dolce Vita? Love them. They have the nice grippers on the bottom. And for jewelry, I just have on a necklace from Rocksbox, and that was it. Since I am trying to put cream on my hands nonstop today. Loki's such a good boy, huh? He loves the snow. Dexter likes the snow. Willie gets too cold. He doesn't love the snow. My Cupshe video posted today. I hope you check it out. I worked really hard on that one, but I was so not bathing suit ready, and I wasn't going to do it. And then I thought, oh, let me share with you guys because you may be having some getaways planned, and Cupshe does have some amazing new bathing suits out as well as amazing other items. So I was really excited to partner with them for that video, and I just went for it. But I was not going to do it. So be kind. But I still hope that you check it out because it's worth it. They have some gorgeous, gorgeous new things in there. Even check out their website. So many new pieces for all the things, but definitely for any holiday getaways you have coming up, which I hope you do. That's a wrap on today. We're going to get right back to it. What do you think, Lo? And I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. It's early. I got up early. Let's see. 4:32. So not bad. I'm getting out early today. And for my outfit, I dressed up a little festive without being crazy, right? So I have my team's dinner tonight and I'm excited. So I have gifts for everybody, super excited. Anyway, so I have on Pistola denim, you'll recognize from, I think it was a JB Stylebox, and a top from Cabi, blazer from Cabi. My shoes are Sam Edelman, just a cute cream booty, since my jeans are going to do all the talking, and then I figured with this blazer we didn't want to get any more crazy. My necklace, you recognize the Rocksbox one. This one is a fun one. It's I think it's by Story, and you can put a photo in there. So there was a photo of my friend and I, and you can, it's a gift, right? And then you can reflect it onto the wall and you can see the picture. So no one else knows you're carrying this picture around, but you know, it's kind of cool. And then I have my bracelet stack on, and I think that's it. I'm ready to go. I'm off. No puppers. I'm trying to keep them quiet, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. It's early in the morning, 26 degrees outside. When I was in my car yesterday, it was 7 degrees. It's so cold, so bitter cold. It is going to warm up towards the end of the week, but it is going to get up to, it says 47 today, so hopefully it will feel a little bit better. And for my outfit today, I have on Paige denim. This one is the Billy I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have on a White House Black Market long sleeve top with this White House Black Market jacket I am in love with. This burgundy color is so awesome. Paired it with my burgundy belt from Trendsend. And for my shoes, these are by Sarto. Also got them during the anniversary sale. Love this. For jewelry, my Rocksbox necklace and my bracelet stack, and we're off. But this is my inside outfit. It's cold outside, so I'll be wearing to my car these shoes, these gloves, and my Z Supply Mason coat. So I'll show you what that looks like before I head out the door. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is 27 degrees outside. It's getting up to almost 48 degrees today, so that's going to feel like a heat wave. For my outfit, I have on Pistola denim. This is the Charlie. It's from Nordstrom. Paired it with a Loft long sleeve tee. This cool blazer that gives me all the Veronica Beard vibes, right? From Eve. My shoes are Donald Pliner, and the same jewelry that I had on yesterday. So I have on my Rocksbox necklace and my bracelet stack. And I think that's it. My belt is Loft. I always forget to say the belt. All right, and I'm off. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here except for Harvey. It is super windy and very chilly out. It's getting down to like some crazy cold temperature today. I think the high is already come and gone. It's 30 degrees now, right buddy? Dexter's so silly. As you can see his face, his eyes are hilarious. What are you doing, Will? Come on. And let's see, Wednesday, my Teddy Blake and Anthropologie haul posted. Sorry, it's been a long week. And I thought those pieces were really great. The Teddy Blake bags are amazing. You can check them out on their site. Of course, I have a discount code for you. Nordstrom sells Teddy Blake. Like, these are really well-known, well-made bags at a very different price point than most of the luxury bags. So definitely worth checking out. And today I posted just a quick short. You're going to see the long version tomorrow of my Cozy Island and Loft haul. So it's been a busy week. For my outfit today, or wait, let me do Friday Funny first before we get to my outfit. So this one is Dexter. He's such a silly goose, right? So he's playing with his toy, but for some reason he has flipped the bed, which he eats all the beds and takes all the, like, he basically takes all the stuffing out of all the beds, but has his head under the bed playing with his toy, which I thought, I'm like, what is he doing under there? He was having a good old time. He's so cute, right? I try not to have a favorite, but I do. I do have a favorite. But I'm not going to tell you who. All right. For my outfit today, I have on Daze denim. I have on a top from Market and Spruce. I got in a Stitch Fix. My cardigan is Joan Jen. Got it in a JV Stylebox. I have on my Linea Paola shoes you've seen before from Nordstrom. Although it's gross outside, so I might have to change my footwear if I go outside. My necklace, I have on my Louis necklace, and that's it today. I'm glad it's Friday. I'll be up early tomorrow. I'm traveling a little bit to go have a spa day with my friend and my son's girlfriend. We have lunch planned, so it's going to be a little bit. So you'll see me bright and early tomorrow to wrap this up. See you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Uber early in the morning, so it is not even 5 yet. And I am off. I dressed with comfort in mind, so everything I have on is soft and cozy. I have on Pilcrow denim. I got from Anthropologie, of course. I have on a Chaser sweatshirt that I've had for a while and I love it. Just always pops. Paired it with a cut from the cloth moto jacket over top. And these fun Dolce Vitas. And let's see, I have on my Story necklace, and that's it. I didn't even put I just realized all my rings on. I gotta put those on. That's it. That's all I have on. Today, my Cozy Island and Loft haul posted. So good. If you have not tried Cozy Island, you need to. These shoes are amazing. Heels, but comfort, like all comfort all day. Every time I wear them, I get a ton of compliments. So I hope you check that out. Plus the Loft pieces aren't bad either. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. Let's see, I will list all of my items down below. As always, if I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course all the boxes are there. And I hope you had fun. Hit that like, subscribe, swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.